We will learn about adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. We can also say it a word that tells you more about a noun or a pronoun. For example, this is a big house. Here the word house is a noun and big is an adjective because it describes about the size of the house. So it is an adjective. He is brave. Here the word he is a pronoun and brave is an adjective because it describes about the pronoun. So it is an adjective. This book is old. Here the word book is a noun and old is an adjective because it describes about the quality of this book. So it is an adjective. Some more common adjective sentences for beginners. Angry. He looks angry now. Here the word angry is an adjective. Wide. The road is wide. Here the word wide is an adjective. Rich. They are rich people. Here the word rich is an adjective. Slow. The turtle is slow. Here the word slow is an adjective. Long. The rope is long. Here the word long is an adjective. These all words angry, wide, rich, slow and long are an adjective because it describes about a noun or a pronoun. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.